Hello everybody, welcome to another video episode of our Bloons. Today we're doing Dart Monkey only. Let's get into this. So let's place this guy here. Right. Let's get quick shots on him. I'm thinking, right, this one, I will have the triple shot. And we'll try getting an army of the crossbows in the middle. Wait, no, maybe we should go with the spike pulse in the middle. I was thinking them maybe here, but maybe that'd be better with the pulse. I'm just going insane, sorry. Blanked out the word, now I blanked out my sentence. So this is going great. I'm thinking we'll get the sharp ones on this guy. I think we'll just have one more of him there and there. So it's like if they're not camo, they're dead. Although I just realized we're gonna run into a problem with the light unless we get that. We gotta get that soon. Yeah. Let's actually put you here. We'll make you the camo. Not the camo, but the, archer. Right now we can't really hit squat. Now we can perfect. Just like perfectly lines up almost. Let's just focus one at a time. Let's get quick shots on you. Very quick shots, yeah. So guys, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you do enjoy. Oh, that's the actual cycle. That's like how long we're supposed to be doing it. Huh. I've technically already been at it for 6 minutes. Or 7. Oh, it's about 3. Oh shit, that's actually about right. Probably a little over because of the video. Because I did start recording a little after probably it started. Yeah, because it goes during one's pause as well. Huh, never realized that. Yeah, they're just gonna get vaporized as soon as they enter. Unless they're camo. Actually, no, I should probably do camo instead. Yeah, that'd be a little better for me. Logically. Because camo is gonna be a major problem in the long run. Especially with the ones that are lead tipped. Ooh, I'm close to unlocking that. We're just gonna save up. Save up, upgrade this. Yes. Can I pop camo or lead balloons once we get this upgrade? Let's just pray I can buy it before that happens. We might have to sell these guys, honestly. Yup. Yeah, we had to sell them. We sold their organs on the black market, of course, the usual. And what I'm thinking Because we just have a bunch of these guys here in the center. I think we'll make this one a crossbow one, but we'll like try to get the final evolution. Anyways, let's get one of these guys. I'm allowing these things because this and this because they don't really pump balloons on their own. It just makes sense, guys, okay? It just makes sense. Let's get that. I can't wait for that episode. They pop everything. You know? I think I was a little far from the mic. Oh well. Give me all the bank. We're gonna have to go with that. Yeah, I can still collect it. I want that guy to be a crossbow, right? Or a catapult? That's the question. I think we just get like an army of crossbows here. Let's get the army of crossbows. We gotta have the army of crossbows. I mean, why wouldn't I have an army of crossbows? It just makes sense. You know? Like, it's an army of crossbows. Of course I gotta have one. I'll go to the middle one. Honestly, maybe I should replace these with the catapults. Yeah, let's do that. Catapult's kind of broken because they do both. Let's just get the main ones down. Let's get the, you know, the public place down here. Now we can go ahead and get that started. Oh. Oh, we can get that? That's surprisingly cheap. Huh. Blow them to smithereens, boys. Oh, I guess we've unlocked every single monkey. We can get a bank. I want a bank. Give me a bank. Let me have my bank. You will not survive this, mark my words, you blimp. Blimp. Goodbye. Yeah, you're not surviving. A free play, let's see if we can get to 100. Let's destroy them. Get them my minions. We have a bank. It's official. We have a bank. Now we're gonna make some bank. Get it? Yeah, I should shut up. Dun, 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 dun. Let's expand our wealth. Okay, guys, so yeah, we don't need you anymore. Now we get the 3s. We're just gonna have, you know, a massive freaking army here. It's gonna be huge. He gets it. I should shut up more often. Okay. see how much these hold? Why doesn't it tell you? It should really tell you these things, you know? Tell me how much you hold, you know? Like, I think it's like 10,000, 15,000, somewhere around there. Pop. And... No. Pop. Now, we could automate it, or we can keep greater protection. What's better? Yeah, I guess... Yeah, automation's honestly kind of better. Since it's automatic, I don't need to do anything. Let's... Yeah, I might as well grab those two. They're there, you know. Just have like essentially an uppercut all over the map. This is just right here. Just pain. Poor mobs. Just not gonna make it, you know? Yeah, sure. We'll unlock it. No, we also gotta get the one that's 15k. We might put it at this one in the middle, honestly. We should probably get that. We're gonna be rich, boys. Rich, I tell ya. Ooh, that was collected. So it's like 8k. Oh, then plus the... Yeah, we'll get some more banks. We need the money, you know. I just don't know how many catapults we need. We need an army of them. Okay. Yeah. Give me the monies. We need all the monies. Oh yes, we are doing quite nicely. Yes. So many juggernauts. Gotta wonder, like, at what point it stops. Like, another Juggernaut doesn't do much. Probably at the point when you have this many. But, guys, you wanna know what I'm thinking? We need another one. Right there. I'm joking. But we will get another one. How much? 14,000? Okay, almost. Okay, they're all around even. Around the same. Shall change once the interest pops in. Yeah. It kinda did change a bit. As is your total, no fuss. Wow. How much is that worth? Oh, that's a lot. Oh well. Let's just save up, man. Let's just save up. Let's go Zom. There's the OMG, right? That's how you pronounce it. Oh well. Three, 2, 1. Yes! Attack my minions! No, hold on, minions. Minions! Do your job, minions. I'm just gonna have to bring out the big guns. Hey, hold on, where's the big guns? Why can't I get the big guns? Huh. We made it to round 80. That's not bad. Well, guys, I'm gonna end this video here, guys, so please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you did enjoy, and see you guys next time.